people. So I am all finished with my wig from Yvonne Hair. I colored it as you guys just saw. This morning I didn't even put any product in the hair because I still had like a little bit of the leave-in conditioner from last night, so it wasn't super clumpy, but it was just perfect, and I wanted it a little bit big. Now, do not discredit the wig due to the way I laid it. I haven't put on a full wig in forever, so I need to kind of refresh my skills, remember how to bleach knots, remember how to do the part, remember how to do the, what's it called? When you put the stuff.
2 hours later.
Concealer, oh my gosh. I have to remember how to put concealer on the part again. In fact, I'll show some pictures, but I first put the wig on and I just did a regular wig cap and you could see it like right here and it was just not cute. But oh well. So we're not gonna focus on the way I laid the wig, okay? Because I'm not a professional wig layer. Your girl is working on it, and over the next few months, I plan to improve and get better. So with that being said, this is the color that the hair turned out to be. This was not the color that I was hoping for, but I still love it because I have another super blonde wig that's a U-part wig, and I don't want them to all look the exact same. So I'm so okay with this color. My husband actually loves it too, so that's always a bonus. But like I mentioned, I still need to practice with my parts, and I had to quickly put this wig on, but it actually doesn't look that bad. Like, it doesn't look horrible, but there's definitely a lot that I need to do to improve my part. So we're not going to talk about that. I just wanted to talk about the elephant in the room, okay? I know it's not like super slayed and laid because your girl, we gonna work on them skills. So as far as just the wig itself, now I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but I did lose some hair, and that's because I over bleached underneath. In fact, underneath turned out to be the color that I did originally want. But so all of the hair that I lost was due to me over bleaching, and I broke the hair off in the back. But this wig is so full that it doesn't even really make a difference. Like, as you can see, this wig is super full, and I love the curls. The curls turned out beautiful. They're not super kinky as I thought they would be, or maybe they just loosened up after I did the bleaching and then the coloring, but I still love this curl pattern. Like, it is amazing. I love this curl pattern. It's not like super 3C. It has some forward in here. It's big. The length to me is perfect. And I would definitely order a wig from Yvonne Hair again. Now, the cons to the wig is too big. Now that could be something, and I will make sure I include below everything about this wig when I purchased it. I don't recall ordering a large cap because I know that, first of all, if you have to choose, unless you know for sure that you have a big head, but if you have to choose between small cap or large cap, I always go for a small cap. In fact, I've measured my head and I think it's 21.5, but this is so loose. Like, I have these on the little things to tighten the wig. I have it on the tightest one on both ends, but it is still too big for me. So that's the only downside, is this wig is too big. And other than that, I love everything about this hair. Like, I am so in love with this hair, like absolutely 100%. Highly recommend ordering from Yvonne Hair. This is the second time or the third time or the fourth time I've purchased hair from Yvonne Hair, but this is the first time I've ever purchased a wig. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to comment below. Let me know if you want me to answer anything else, and I will be happy to get back to you guys and let you know what else I think about this wig. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see more wig reviews. Thank you.
Stay tuned to see how I achieve this color and bleach my knots for this wig.
So we have bleached the knots. I will color this again using Revlon this time. I'm not gonna bleach it again, I thought about it. So I did use 20 Developer with Blue Flash Bleach, and I probably should put my glove back on because I'm trying to show you guys how it looks when you're bleaching the knots. You can kind of see the hairs coming, or the bleach coming through, so I won't leave it on here too long because I don't want my knots to be orange. So I'm just looking to see if the bleach is taking. And I kind of see the black right here. Kind of feel like it can stay on there a little bit longer. Some of them are bleached and some of them aren't. But I don't want it to be yellowish, so. But actually I can see it lifting from inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. I've had it on there for about 15 minutes. And that I skipped because I accidentally did that the first time I was bleaching the hair. So I'm gonna wash this out, or wash this off, and I'll be right back.